Admittedly, the Huawei FreeBuds 3 is my personal favorite true wireless stereo earphones. Why? It has good build quality. It has a lot of features like the USB-C charging port, wireless charging, and strong battery life. You also get the Kirin A1 chip with Bluetooth 5.1 technology for better overall connectivity, and it has this really good quality sound and a nice dolphin bionic design in its earpieces that made it really comfortable to wear. And if you are looking to buy one but you don't want the traditional carbon black and ceramic white color options, I have some good news for you. Huawei has released the Huawei FreeBuds 3 in Valentine Red Edition. This is the version of the FreeBuds that is specifically designed to those who wants a red colored true wireless stereo earphones right now. So, without any further ado, let's unbox this. Hi, this is Peter of GIZGUIDEPH, and this is the Huawei FreeBuds 3 Valentine Red Edition unboxing. As you can see, the Huawei FreeBuds 3 Valentine Red Edition arrived with this premium looking box that shows the Valentine red colored case and earpieces in front. And then you get some information inside like the specs, including the Kirin A1 chip. And it also says here what to expect inside the box. So let's unpack this thing now. The unit is still sealed, and I'll remove the plastic cover right now. So here, there you go. There you go. There you go. So after removing the plastic, all you need to do is just pull this thing here, this one, this piece of cloth here in the box. It feels very premium. And then you will see another Huawei logo here. And then after that, all you need to do is just open it, and then voila, you will see the Huawei FreeBuds 3 Valentine Red Edition right off the bat. So here, there you go. This is the Valentine Red FreeBuds 3. It looks stunning. It looks very stunning. So I will remove it. There you go. Oh, so it's harder to remove than I thought. And then there is some plastic here. I'll just remove it. And then there's another piece of plastic here. Protective plastic, and then I will remove it, and it will show the true beauty of the earphones. And then you will see that it has these earpieces intact inside. But before that, let's check what else is inside the box. You get this some sort of paper here. It is the QR code to scan the Huawei AI Life app. The Huawei AI Life app is important to those who want to customize the way they want to use the FreeBuds 3. You can even adjust the active noise cancellation tech there. So upon digging further, we saw these pieces of paper, the warranty card, the safety information, and what is this? The quick start guide. So it has 3 pieces of paper here that you can check on how to set up your phone and to see the safety information, and of course the warranty details. And after that, there you go. So it has the USB Type-C charging cable. So yes guys, you read that right. It has USB-C charging. And of course, this is one of the few earphones with USB-C port. And then once you tap it on the phone with wireless charging support, all you need to do is place it there and you can charge this thing wirelessly. And I like that. So basically, this is the same with my black FreeBuds in terms of audio quality, battery life, overall performance and features, except that it has this shiny, beautiful red Valentine color. So let's check what else is in here. Okay, there you go. Even the earpiece is really very Valentine red, and I like that. It's beautiful. It's beautiful, guys. It looks very, very gorgeous. And I think a lot of ladies, and I think a lot of the ladies will like this. I'm sure of that. And why not? So, the question now is the price. The price of this true wireless earphones is still 8,990 pesos. So that's the same with the black one. I think this is still the only one here in the country with active noise cancellation for a true wireless earphones that has this type of design. Why most true wireless stereo earphones that has ANC have in-ear designs? This one has an open design, and this one has the advantage in soundstage versus those true wireless stereo earphones with ANC but with in-ear design. So that's it. That's our quick unboxing of the Huawei FreeBuds 3 Valentine Red Edition. To know more about the Huawei FreeBuds 3 in general, you may read our review, our full written review at www.gizguide.com. So, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe to our small channel. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you and bye-bye.